Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Ilham and you are watching Ambar Ilham channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to transpose data in Excel. There are 7 ways how to transpose data. Before we start, I'm gonna show you what is the definition of the transpose. If I have data in column B like this, from B4 until B9, B8 here, A, B, C, D until E, I just need to copy this data, use the copy here, and then paste in any cell I want to transpose. Right click, use paste special, and then use the transpose here. And this is the transpose from the column B into row number 4. And I'm gonna transpose from row number 4 here, and just press Ctrl C or use the copy function there, and then use the paste special values here and use the transpose here. This is transpose from row number 4 into column J. And let we start the transpose data in Excel. This is just very basic of transpose data. Just copy the data I want to transpose in array data here. Just press Ctrl C, and then in any cell I want to transpose, or for example in F2, just right click and paste special, use the transpose here. And minus from this is if I want to add data, for example in column B11 here on September 2022, the planning is 1,700 pieces, and the data is not automatically changed. So I need to copy this and then transpose it into this cell. So let me start from using the formula for the transpose. And in method number 2, the formula is the first I will have to make the array data with the same size for the transpose. And for example, because I have already had the format here from F until R, and from this have 4 rows, so just easily show this cell and then use the function equals transpose, open bracket, and use the array from A2 until D14, and then close bracket, and then press Ctrl Shift Enter at once. Just here we go. This is the transfer we already made. Because I already have the format on method 1 here, so it's not difficult for me to define the area for the method to use the transpose function here. If I don't have the method 1 before, if I don't have any format before, I don't know until which column I have to make the format data. I have to until P or Q or R, I don't know. So this is the lack of the minus from the method number 2. So I'm gonna show you. If I have changed the data here, I change the data here, I fill the 1,600, and here it's changed to we automatically fill in the transpose data, so I don't need to transpose once more, just need to update the master data, and everything has a link here as has been changed. So we start to method number 3. In method number 3, we start by using the equals and use the A2 here, and then drag to the right until D, and drag to down until December 2022. Let me see, this is December 2022. Make it the same. The format is use the number format with decimal, and the percentage, use the percentage format here. And then this is the function, the definition, the equals, and then just block this size, and then control find on control F, and then use the find and replace equals, replace all with the any cell has here, like a hash here, and then has type here, and then replace all. So and everything here has changed to hashtag A2, hashtag B2, and until hashtag D14. Just copy this array, and then copy this array, and then use the paste special value as transpose. Sorry, paste, not that one. Sorry, too fast. Paste, and then transpose in here in method number 3, and then change the hashtag, control find hashtag, replace with hashtag, replace with equals, and then replace all. You can see this is the format I want to make for the method number 3. Use the helper here. And method number 4 is almost the same with method number 3. Just need to use the function hashtag, and then A. You can see here start from A2, and then you can drag. You can use the more hashtag B, and then 2, not V but B, sorry, B, and then hashtag C, 2, and then hashtag D, 2, and then you can drag it to the right like this one, and then change the hashtag into equals, and this is the method for the transpose number 4. Number 5, we have the function. For the number 5 is use the index function. Use the index function equals index. As you can see here, the index function use the array. The array is here from A2 until D14, and then you can see here row number, comma, and then row number. For the row number, you can use the row number, use the columns, because I'm gonna change the data, transpose the data. So you can see here, this is the row number, and the row is changed into column. Use the column function, and then array from F24 until F24. If I'm drag to the right, I'm gonna change this into G, H, and I don't want it changed, so use the string function before F, or before the first F, and then for the column number, use the row function, rows, 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 and start from this any cell in A26, for example, until A26. And I don't want the first 26 here is changed, so I'm gonna put the string function before number 26 here, and then close bracket, drag it to the right, and drag it to down here. As you can see here, index is not the string yet, so I have to string for the index here, so the data is not changed. So the string has been used, the string function, and then once more drag to the right and drag to down here. This is the third method. Use the format, accounting format, and use the format for the percentage format here. Use the percentage format here. Okay, and we start for number 6. The method number 6, we use the almost same with number 2 and number 3, but we just put the A2 here, A2, and then B2 here, and C2 here, D2 here, and then drag it to the right like this one until it's and here, and then use the indirect function in here equals indirect, and use the reference text is from F32 here, and then just close bracket. You can see this, the reference to A2 here, month. So I'm gonna drag it to the right here and drag it down in here too. So this is the indirect function for the reference number, method number 6. I'm gonna make it the format same, the format for month, month, and year, format cell, custom, month, 3 digits, month, and then year, and this is the use the accounting format, and use the percentage format for the percent here, percentage format. And then we're gonna make the number method number 7. We're gonna use the Hlookup function. Use the Hlookup function. For the Hlookup, it will be defined like lookup value is start from here, and then double row is from A2 until D14 here, and then use the string function for any cell here, and row index, of course, because this is on the first column here and the first row here, so the index is number 1, and then the format is up exact format, so you put the 0 here. So if I drag it to the right, I want to make it change into 2, 3, 4, and more. So I'm gonna change this one format into the format is columns, and start from F41 here until F41 here, and use the string before the F, the first F here, and then use the string function for A, and then copy and then paste here. So what's going wrong? A2, A3, sorry, start from A2 to here, A2, and change the A into B here, and C here, and D here. After that, we can just block this cell and then drag it to the right like this one, and change the format month and year format, custom month dash year, and this format is the accounting format. Just click this one and minimize the decimal, and then the percentage format here. So this all end the 6 methods for the transpose in Excel. Okay, if you have any question regarding to this video, please write in the comment below, or if you have any question about Word, Excel, or Google Sheet, please write down too. I'm gonna answer your question on the next video, God willing. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.